It says the diagram below shows a sequence of figures made up of circles with dots. Each figure has one dot at the center and 4 dots on the circumference of each circle. It says the radius of the first circle is 1 unit. The radius of each new circle is 1 unit greater than the radius of the previous circle. And then, except for the first figure, a portion of each of the other figure is shaded. Then them give us the table. All right. So I'm looking at the dots and I already see the pattern. Add 4, add 4, add 4. So I know so when I 5, it's gonna be 21 when I add 4. Then now I just need the pattern of this. Look how we can easily identify the pattern. I'm increasing by 4, so I know it's going to be 4 times n. Now what do I add to get the 5? No must 1. So this is a 4n plus 1. Look how easy I did it. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So that's 4n plus 1. Now this one go pi to 4 pi. So it increased by 3 pi. Then this increased by 6 pi. And 7. Well, this does look like 1 square. 2 square times pi, 3 square times pi. So that means 25 pi, this is just n square times n square by pi. All right, no, not bad. This one now increased by 2. So 2, 5, 7. So this one be 9 pi. Nothing wrong with that. So since it increased by 2, I know say 2 times something, 2 times something, 2 times n. So it's 2 times n, but then I have to subtract back 1. The space smally, so let me write it from way over here. So this part is, can't fit it. I want to say 2n minus 1. Then I want to put a bracket here and then multiply. Oh, it won't fit. I'm going to have to use the text. Let me see if the text can make it fit. I just need to make it a little bit smaller. In here, what I'm saying, it's going to be 2n minus 1. Put a bracket around it. It's still not going to fit. Multiply by pi. It still don't fit. So what I'll do is bring it out here. All right. I bring it outside here. This is supposed to be right here. So Capri, 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1. That give 1 pi. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 1. That give 3 pi. Put a 3 here. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1. That give 5 pi. Cool. Now this one now go from 2 to 6 to 12 to 20. So I'm increasing by 2. Here, now I'm increase by 4. Then I increase by 6. Then I increase by 8. Then I increase by 10. So this is 30 pi. So this is just n times n plus 1. So that one is easy. This is just n times n plus 1. This is n times n plus 1. And then the n times n plus 1 is multiplied by pi. This is the answer. How did I get n times n plus 1? When n equal 1, 1 times 1 plus 1, that's 2. That's how you get 2 pi. When n equal 2, 2 times 3, that gives 6. 3 times 4, 4 times 5, 5 times 6, 6 times 7, and the pattern continues. So that's easy to observe. That well easy, man. That's a pattern. Nice. So that's question 7 right there. This is just n times n plus 1 pi. Okay, that's 3 and 4, that's 7. Then say determine the value of n when the number of dots in figure n is 541. The number of dots is 541. So we're going to set 4n plus 1 equal to 541. So in this case, all we need to do is set 4n plus 1 equal to 541. The one them going to get 4n is equal to 540. Divide through by 4. I'll get n is equal to 540 divided by 4. 540 divided by 4 is 54 over 4 is 9, so that's 90. That's 90. So you can tell them that the value of n is 90. So that would be figure 90 of 541 dots. I don't need to say nothing more. That's the answer. All right, now this says write down in terms of p and pi the area of the largest circle in figure 3p. Where did this p come from? I notice it says figure 3p, but I only see a figure 3 right here. What's that 3p? What's that p supposed to mean? What is this p talking about? Well, all I know they asked for is, I'm going to ignore this p. I'm going to ignore that p, because I don't know what they're saying right there with that p, because the figure that they give is not 3p, it's just figure 3. But if you want the area of the largest circle, the area of the largest circle would be this circle right here. This circle that I'm gonna highlight it in red. This is the circle they're talking about. This is the largest circle. And we need the radius of this circle to find its area. The area is pi r squared, and the radius would be, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 units. So the radius is 3. So now we can go around here and find the area of that circle. So the area of that circle, the area of the largest circle, is pi r squared. So the area is going to be r is 3. So that's just pi times 3 squared. And 3 squared is 9. So that is just 9 pi. That's the area of the circle. That nice here? That's the area of the circle. But always remember area is, this is unit square. It said units, it never said centimeter. They just say unit square. That's the area. Nice.